What's up guys, this is Carlos. Welcome to my channel, Los Car 50. Today I have honestly an unplanned for video. Something really cool happened, as you can tell by the title of this video. I won a set of CCW classics for my 03 Terminator Mustang. I still can't believe it till this day. At the time of this recording, it's been a week since I've won it. So just to kind of give a little context before we get into the unboxing of the video. So on the 23rd of February, I went on Facebook to the Terminator Cobra's page, and I saw a post about a raffle for a set of CCW classics for a 0304 Cobra with an IRS, either between a polished set or a black set, and it was either that or $2,500 cash for the winner. So I was like, you know what? I can afford to lose $100 versus spending almost $6,000 on a brand new set of wheels, so why not, right? And I mean, they are the wheels that I've always dreamed of on having on my Cobra, and they're definitely on my list. But it's just something that I knew I'd have to wait a long time to buy, because I mean, they're pricey and there's other things that I could use that money for. So anyways, I decided to take that leap of faith. $100. I was like, sure, why not? Signed up, and the live drawing was on Sunday, the 26th of February. And I was actually I took my mom out to eat lunch, and I was like, Mom, give me just a second. Let me hop onto this video on this live stream real quick and see what happens. So I was just casually watching the drawing, and I couldn't believe it when the wheel spun and the pointer landed on my name. I just couldn't believe it. I just started like shaking, you know, just from like shock, you know, like, this is not real, is it? And it was real, you know, like, thank God that I won the set of wheels. Like, out of 55 people, it fell on my name. So it was crazy. It was such a great experience. Shout out to Modify Mustang. They are the ones who put this raffle together, and if you haven't yet, go check out their Instagram. They are doing raffles all the time. But as you can see, I'm going to put a few clips here of this video that I screen recorded.
All right, I see everybody starting to join in. Real quick, I would like to thank everybody for joining in on this CCW waffle. Truly hope the winner takes either the polished or the black wheels. They are beautiful. Both are in stock, ready to ship. So we had 55 entries, $100 an entry. The names on the list are right here. Let's go down the list. Names are in the same order as the spreadsheet. Good luck, everybody. Let's get ready to waffle! And the winner is Carlos Contreras. Carlos Contreras, congratulations. I will be reaching out to you in the next 5-10 minutes to see which prize you would like. Once again, I appreciate everybody playing.
And like, the best part yet is that the wheels, he had the wheels in stock. So when I came home on Thursday, I believe it was the 2nd of March, they were already sitting on the front porch of the house. Pulled them in and started to unbox them, as you can see here right now. Alright, so the moment is here. I just got home to this nice shipment in the front of the house. Oh man, as you already know what it is, I've already been talking about it. It's a big moment. So, no further ado, let's get into it. Really careful, because I don't want to scratch these up. Oh, look at these beauties. Yes, sir. Get up there. Yeah, no man. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This is my dream wheel. I wanted CCW Classics with the gloss black rim or lip, and then the satin black centers. And these have gloss black bolts that hold the faces onto the barrel. So super clean look. And this looks like a front wheel. We're fixing to open up a rear one. I just can't believe it. All right, so we just got done unboxing a front wheel. Let's jump onto a rear wheel and check how these look. Oh, man, these are super wide. It's got a big lip. I don't want to tear off this protective film because I'm going to store them for a little longer, but we shall take a moment to appreciate this beautiful wheel. Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Again, as you can see, beautiful gloss black lip, satin black centers. They even have the inside of the barrels black. These bolts are all gloss black. Valve stem chrome or stainless steel. Polished. Looks beautiful. Now I gotta look for the center caps and see how those look like. Mira que canchón se ve, ¿verdad? Este es el de atrás, este.
Este es el allá para allá de atrás.
Yeah.
Muy
Este es el de
bonitos,
atrás.
muy bonitos.
Muy deportivos, pero muy clásicos también.
Sí.
So I just opened up the other box and I found the center caps. And in case if you notice, a lot of these boxes say Weld, the Weld Racing Wheel brand. Well, that's because CCW has been bought by Weld. So that's the reason why there's that on there. So let's pull one of these out and check it out. I heard these are like crazy expensive too. Oh yes, beautiful. Let's just go ahead and take one out. Check it out. Oh yeah, definitely. So clean, beautiful. Alright guys, so that's the sneak peek of the wheels. I gotta order me some tires. I'm thinking about going with some Toyo R888Rs. Some big fat ones, some 335s for the rears and the fronts. I'm just gonna go with the standard like 275. Oh man, and at the time of this recording, I just finished installing BC coilovers on my Cobra, which the timing is just absolutely crazy. So coilovers and then now these brand new fresh set of CCW Classics on the Cobra. It's gonna just look beautiful. So it should look something like this, like in this picture. I'm a big fan of this guy, his build, Tar Heel Trooper. He has a torch red Cobra, an 04 I believe, fully built. Everything you think of he touched and just modified and made it 100 times better and cleaner. But he's a big inspiration of my build. So my car looks something similar to his. But nonetheless guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for that video where I'm going to be installing that set of wheels on my Cobra. But with no further ado, Los Car 50 out. See you soon.